Calendula. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, Calendula officinalis, is an annual herb growing 10 to 12 inches tall with bright orange or yellow daisy-like flowers. It has been cultivated since the 1600s and has a rich history of use in various cultures for medicinal, culinary, and cosmetic purposes. The plant is valued for its versatile applications in skincare and overall health. Its flowers contain potent anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant compounds that contribute to its healing properties. Calendula is particularly renowned for its ability to promote healing of wounds, soothe skin conditions, and support digestive and immune health. In the garden, calendula is easy to grow and attracts beneficial insects. It can be grown in beds, borders, or containers, and is often used in companion planting in vegetable gardens to attract pollinators. The flowers are edible and can be used fresh in salads or dried for use in teas, soups, and stews. Calendula is adaptable to various growing conditions but thrives in full sun with well-drained soil. It's a cool season annual that can tolerate light frosts, making it suitable for early spring planting in many regions. With proper care and regular deadheading, calendula can bloom continuously from spring through fall, providing long-lasting color and benefits to the garden. Calendula tea benefits. Calendula tea offers unique health benefits compared to other herbal teas, particularly in the areas of skin health, anti-inflammatory properties, and healing of wounds. Here's how it compares. Antioxidant content. Like many herbal teas, calendula tea is rich in antioxidants, including terpenoids, flavonoids, coumarins, and volatile oils. This puts it on par with other antioxidant-rich teas such as green tea or chamomile. Skin health. Calendula tea stands out for its potential benefits to skin health. It has been shown to promote healing of wounds, particularly for diabetes-related foot ulcers and leg ulcers. This specific benefit is not commonly associated with most other herbal teas. Anti-inflammatory properties. While many herbal teas have anti-inflammatory effects, calendula tea has shown particularly strong anti-inflammatory properties in studies. This makes it potentially useful for conditions like arthritis and gingivitis. Digestive health. Calendula tea may be beneficial for digestive issues, including heartburn, peptic ulcers, and inflammatory bowel diseases. While other teas like peppermint or ginger are also known for digestive benefits, calendula's specific effects on these conditions make it unique. Antimicrobial properties. Calendula tea has demonstrated antimicrobial and antifungal effects, which are not as commonly found in other herbal teas. This makes it potentially useful for oral health and fighting infections. Cancer-fighting potential. Some studies suggest calendula tea may have anti-cancer properties, particularly against melanoma cancer cells. While other teas like green tea are also known for potential cancer-fighting properties, calendula's specific effects on melanoma cells are noteworthy. Versatility. Unlike many herbal teas that are primarily consumed as beverages, calendula tea is often used both internally and externally. It can be applied topically for skin conditions or used as a mouthwash for oral health, offering a broader range of applications than many other herbal teas. While calendula tea shares some benefits with other herbal teas, its unique combination of wound healing, skin soothing, and antimicrobial properties sets it apart in the world of herbal remedies. However, more research is needed to fully understand its effects, especially when compared directly to other herbal teas. Making calendula tea. The calendula flower is used to make a simple tea. The process can be done using either fresh flower buds or dried petals. Adding lemon and honey is optional. Using dried calendula petals. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried calendula petals in a tea ball or directly into a heat-proof mug. Pour the boiling water over the petals. Let it steep for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain the tea and discard the petals. Using fresh calendula flowers. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Place 3 to 4 fresh calendula flowers in a heat-proof mug or teapot. Pour the boiling water over the flowers. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Strain the tea and discard the flowers. Tips: if you want to dry fresh calendula flowers, you can use a dehydrator at 90 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 hours or air dry them by hanging them upside down in a warm, dry place. Store dried calendula petals in airtight containers to preserve their color and potency. Cultivation of calendula. Planting. Sow seeds directly in early spring when soil temperature reaches 60 degrees Fahrenheit 16 degrees Celsius. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep in thin seedlings to 16 inches apart. Prefers full sun exposure. Soil requirements. Calendula grows best in well-drained, loose soil. A layer of garden compost before sowing can encourage healthy growth. Fertilizing. Avoid over-fertilizing as it may produce more leaves than flowers. Mid-season supplementation with liquid seaweed or organic fertilizer is beneficial. Temperature. Germination occurs in 10 to 15 days at soil temperatures around 60 degrees Fahrenheit 16 degrees Celsius. For finishing, maintain day temperatures of 66 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 19 to 20 degrees Celsius, and night temperatures of 52 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit, 11 to 12 degrees Celsius. Harvesting. Cut flowers when half open for longer-lasting blooms. Harvest entire flowers for medicinal use. 6 culinary uses of calendula. Salad garnish. Calendula petals add a vibrant splash of color and a mild, peppery flavor to salads. Sprinkle fresh petals over mixed greens, tomato salads, or grain-based salads for a visually appealing and nutritious touch. Flavored butter. Create calendula-infused butter by mixing softened butter with finely chopped calendula petals. This adds a subtle, tangy flavor and a beautiful golden hue to the butter, perfect for spreading on bread or melting over vegetables. Herbal tea. Dried calendula petals can be used to make a soothing herbal tea. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried petals in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. The resulting tea has a mild, slightly bitter taste and is known for its potential digestive benefits. Baked goods. Incorporate calendula petals into baked goods for added flavor and color. For example, the calendula and thyme shortbread cookies recipe uses minced fresh calendula flower petals along with lemon zest and thyme for a unique flavor profile. Natural food coloring. Calendula petals can be used as a natural yellow-orange food coloring. Dry and grind the petals into a powder, then use it to add color to dishes like rice, soups, or frosting. Infused vinegar. Create calendula-infused vinegar by steeping dried calendula petals in white wine vinegar for several weeks. This flavored vinegar can be used in salad dressings, marinades, or as a finishing touch for various dishes. Remember to always use edible calendula flowers, Calendula officinalis, and ensure they haven't been treated with pesticides or other chemicals when using them in culinary applications. Calendula can be consumed as a tea, applied topically, or used in various preparations such as tinctures, infused oils, and salves. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using calendula, especially during pregnancy or if you have allergies to plants in the aster family. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share.